I'm going to start on something new here. This is my backyard pond I built about 7 years ago. The fall started leaking last fall, so it's been off all winter. I am searching on redoing this and trying to do it right, and I stumbled upon his name is Mark Wilson. His website's anypond.com. He's out of the UK. His YouTube channel is the Pond Advisor, and I'll put a link to it because just in watching his videos, he's given me the inspiration to at least make me think that I halfway know how to maybe redo this thing and do it properly. And him and his wife do a series on a beginner how to how to do a fall, which they do a lot of pondless waterfalls, but just he lends his insight into how to do it correctly, and it's really amazing to watch. And so that's what I'm going to try to start off doing here. This is going to be a bunch of edited different clips thrown in together. I don't really know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm just going to get started right now and tearing it down, and probably definitely won't record that because there's nothing there to learn, and I'll come back when we're starting to do something else. So wish me luck. Alright, here's the finished product. I was going to do a video kind of along the way about building the falls and things, but I just lacking skills basically. It took me a couple days, one full day of rock placement, just trying to get the falls built. There's really nothing there that I could show you compared to a lot of the other pond building sites out there. Again, I'm still going to push the Pond Advisor. His way of doing things is just the greatest, amazing to me. I don't know how to describe it, but he just is really good at what he does. And then I'll put a link to his channel so you can check out some of his work. But I got some driftwood from the local lake here, and a few pieces for my wife like that, but she thought it looked like a heart. There's the cat. It's Annie approved. Again, it's been about a week's worth of work. Still too early to do any planning here in Kentucky. It was 70 last weekend. It's supposed to be 20 Saturday. Snow overnight, Friday night into Saturday, and up to 6 inches with below 0 wind chill. So still too early to plant, but kind of looking forward. I got a couple of areas here to the side I can plant. Some area back over here behind the bigger piece of driftwood I can plant. Some of these areas here, I just got a couple of pieces of wood I'm going to move and maybe put some plants into that this spring also. But there's 2 lilies planted down in the water that you can't really see. But it was fun. It was laborious. I tell you, I was worn out after the first day of doing the work with the rock work and stuff. So you guys that do this for a living, I applaud you, because it is hard, laborious work. But definitely, I think, turned out a little better than what the before shot looked. Right, Annie? Annie said she liked it. But again, sorry. Again, it's not any kind of how-to video or anything like that. I just wanted to share what I did, and again, maybe can inspire someone to try it themselves. I'm going to plug one more time with Mark Wilson with the Pond Advisor, anypond.com. You can watch his channel and get some really great ideas for maybe your own water feature. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Everybody take care and bye.